Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the EA app on your Mac. To get started, open any web browser and search for EA app for Mac. From the search results, open the official EA website. On the download page, click Download, select Mac, and wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file from your browser's Downloads section or from the Downloads folder on your Mac. The installation wizard should now appear. Click Continue to begin. Next, review the software license agreement. Click Continue, then select Agree to accept the terms. Click Continue once more, then select Install. Your Mac may ask you to confirm the installation using your administrator password or Touch ID. Enter your password or use your fingerprint to continue. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once it is complete, click Close. You may then be asked whether you want to keep the installer file. Select Move to Bin if you no longer need it. Now open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the EA app, then double-click it to launch it. The first time you open the application, macOS may verify the file and display a security message. Click Open to continue. You may also be asked to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID again to approve any additional setup. Once everything is complete, the EA app should open on your Mac. You can now sign into your EA account, access your game library, browse available titles, and start downloading your games. And that's how you can download and install the EA app on a MacBook. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.